And in this case, I'm going to create a stacked bar chart to track where the possession ended in each third of the field. So I'm going to drag a chart in, and in this case now, I'm going to create this as a stacked bar chart, and I'm going to name this chart, and I'll call it possession end. Okay, once I've done that, I'm then going to jump in and I'm going to enter the script, and I can execute that, and you'll see my bar chart now populates. Then if I come into my chart values tab, I can now adjust the settings of the way this looks. So what I can do here, for example, I can choose whether or not I want to display the X and Y axis name. So in this case, I could enter an X axis name and just call it, say, for example, field area. And you'll see now that that populates the X axis name, but I can choose whether I want to display both X and Y, X only or Y only, or I can just uncheck and display neither. I can also then choose whether or not I want to display the data point names. So I can turn the data point names. So at the moment with the final, middle and own are the data point names, so I can turn those on and off. I can choose whether or not I want to display the values, and when the values are displayed, I can choose again whether I want the value only, the percentage only, or both. And again, with the data point names now, I can also choose whether the alignment, I want those to be horizontal or vertical. Again, with all the charts within Hudl Sportscode, if I switch to report mode, I can then click any of the values, and that will bring up the corresponding for those actions. Now, in relation to this is a stacked bar chart, the other option we have with a stacked column chart, I can flip this over now, and that essentially orients it to a stacked column chart from a bar chart. And if I jump back over now to the chart settings tab, now you'll see I have all of the same options in relation to how that is now created and can be displayed.